everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we're going to take this sheet of paper and then fold it into three parts. After this, we're going to make small pleats as you can see. Now fold it into half and then we're going to start folding it from the top. Look like this and make the triangular shape. After this, open the paper. Here we're going to fold it and we are making the diamond shape here. Look like this and then again fold it. We are making the crease here. As you can see, you have to repeat this process over and over again and press it from the top, and then again we are going to fold it from the bottom side as well. Tuck the paper inside. Look how we are doing here in this video, and the shape is ready. Finally, we are going to open it and look, it's done. Now we are going to make a stick and put it inside. Cut the wings and bow. Paste it on the top and look, it's ready. Let's make this beautiful bow shape. Here we're going to take this printed paper, fold it and make a mini square. As you can see, there is a square at the center as well. Now press it like we're doing here in this video, holding the center part and then open the paper. Now we are going to flip it and cut it from all its four sides. Look like this. Use a sharp cutter and it's done. Now fold it from the sides and then we are going to make a cut at the center as well. Fold it and then finally tuck the paper at the center. Look like this. Hold it and then fold it, tuck it inside, and your bow is ready. Let's make this beautiful flower. As you can see, we're going to fold this yellow color of square paper and then we're going to open it from the corners. We're going to use two different color of paper and make 5 such pieces. Tuck all of them one after another in a circle and look, it's ready. After this, we're going to take a stick and curl the corners. Look like this. Now gently open it and look, the flower is ready. Paste a mini flower at the center. Here we're going to take this paper and fold it from top and bottom. Now we're going to flip it and again fold it. Here we're going to make the heart shape. So look how we are doing here in this video. Now make more such shapes and then tuck all of them in a straight line. And look, your crown is ready. Here we're going to take this white sheet of paper, fold it into half. Now we're going to divide it into two and fold it from the corners. Cut it and you will get this pentagon shape. Look at the rings. You have to fold it till the ring from all the sides. Finally, we're going to start folding it from the corner. Look like this and make crease. After this, we're going to fold it one after another and make a shape at the center. Look like this. Flip it and then we are going to fold it and give shape to the star. Look how we are doing here in this video, and after folding you will see this beautiful star shape at the end. As you can see, we are going to take this paper and fold it like this. Now flip it and again fold it from the corners and make the triangular shape. Here we're going to make the heart shape, so fold it from the top. After this, we're going to make 3 more such shapes and make this square. Paste it one after another and then it's ready. Let's make the base here. So take another piece of paper, fold it and then tuck it at the bottom. And look, your container is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.